Hello and thank you for tuning in to Embrace My Melanin. It's your girl Rochelle, and in today's video, yes, as you saw by the title, we're going to be doing another Boxycharm unboxing for the month of July, okay? And I have my box here. Now, please forgive the look of my box. It rained the day that that they dropped it off. I did not know that it was sitting outside in the rain. I was home the whole entire time. I'm still working from home, so... but I digress. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into this box, okay? Now, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and just go ahead and click the button down below. Go ahead and click the button, boo-boo. Please and thank you. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started, okay? We have the theme for the month. This month is FantaSea right there. There you go, okay? Now, the first thing I see right here inside of my box, I have the Ultra by Mimi. Okay, it is a 8-in-1 plus CBD multi-purpose nutrient mist and styling aid. Okay, is this for hair? Is this for hair? Hold on. Oh, okay, this is a leave-in conditioner, the Ultra 8-in-1 plus CBD leave-in conditioner. This leave-in conditioner packs 8 powerful benefits into one. Enhances body and manageability, detangles hair, fights frizz, protects hair from environmental damages, balances moisture, and adds nutrients to refresh hair and add shine. Okay, all right, that's what that looks like right there. Okay, all right, and this retails for $30. Okay, now I am on a protective style journey right now, so right now I won't be trying this anytime soon. Ooh, but it smells good. It smells really, really good. Really, really fresh. Fresh fruity, okay? And I like fresh fruity, okay? But here we go. Outro 8-in-1, okay? All right, so next up we have the Dermalect Cosmeceuticals. There it is. You see what that says, okay? This is the Outcrease Retinol Trifecta Serum, okay? Let's see here. This retails for $39, okay? This Dermalect Outcrease successfully targets the look of fine lines, wrinkles, thick skin, and sun damage. Okay. All right, so it's a treatment. It's a serum for your face right there. And there is the packaging right there. Let me open it up and see what it looks like. Okay, it comes in this little dropper right there. Okay, I never heard of this brand. Dermalect Cosmeceuticals. I've never heard of this brand, but I'm gonna look them up. I'm gonna look them up and see what they're about. Not bad, $39 for a serum, you know, not bad at all, okay? Alrighty then, we have, the next thing we have here is the Gen Skin. What is this? This is the Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. Okay, so these are eye patches. I love a good eye patch, eye mask, moisturizer down there. I love those. I still have the one from, I think it's Skin Ink. I can't remember the name of it, but they're gold. No, I'm sorry. It's called Wanderlust Beauty or something like that. I still have theirs. Is the gold patches underneath the eyes. They work so good. I absolutely love them. Okay, but this is by Generation Skin. Let's see here. We have how many in here? Because you can tell there's a lot in here because this is really, really heavy. It does not say. It does not say, but this retails for $49.99. Okay, not bad at all. Okay. All right. Next up, we have Basic Beauty. Yeah, we have Basic Beauty. They have a lip oil. Okay. Now this is their summer lip oil. Retails for $18. Does it have? Okay, and it has just a little bit of color to it. That might be the bottle. Nope, it's not the bottle. It actually has just a little bit of, I don't know if you can see that. Sorry, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it does have just a little bit of color to it. Okay. Okay, I can't wait to try this. I like a good lip oil. I do like anything that moisturizes my lips, especially when you have dry lips, dry skin, dry hair, dry everything like I do. Anything that moisturizes real good is on point, okay? So Basic Beauty, okay, that's $18, like I said, not bad, okay? This box is going by pretty fast. I'm down to my last product, okay? And here we go with the last item right here. This is by Alamesca. I want to say that. Hopefully I said that right. Alamesca, okay? And what is this? This is a eyeshadow palette. It is an eyeshadow palette, okay? And dag on it, I just dug my daggone nail. Ooh, dug my nail in it. I just dug my nail in it twice. All right. Anyway, okay. Here it is, right here. Okay. The bottom row all mattes, the top row all shimmers, and there you go. Very pretty neutral shades. You know, with just, you know, a little touch of color inside of it, right there. Okay. But that's pretty much it. I have not tried the eyeshadow palettes. If I'm not mistaken, I think I got a primer from them once, and maybe one other thing. I can't remember exactly what it was, but that's all I've ever gotten from them. And we have the little sheet right here that has the colors on it. So there you go with that. Okay. And let's see here. This eyeshadow palette retails for $50. Okay, so not bad at all. Okay, and that's all I've got inside my box. Give me 1 second, let me calculate this and see how much we got in a retail value. Okay, so I just retailed everything out. I just calculated everything out, and it came to a value of $186.99. Okay, so $187 worth for, you know, the $25 plus tax that I paid for it. Not bad at all. This box, now I will say this, not bad. It's adding to my collection and all that jazz. However, I'm not all that impressed by this box. I'm really not all that impressed by this box. The hair product, I mean, I'll try it in time, but I can't try it right now because, you know, protect the style. The serum, we'll see. Now the eye patches, the eye gel patches right here, most definitely will try. The lip oil and the eyeshadow palette, I'll end up trying, but it's not anything that I'm like, ooh, okay. Now I know what I should have done is I should have upgraded my box this month, because I heard that all of the premium boxes came with an ABH product. Okay, so I had upgraded my box, and I think I am about to upgrade my box. I think I'm about to, you know, invest and just maybe not do like the Luxe box anymore, but just go straight to the premium box and just do that box alone. So that might end up, I might end up doing just that, you know, because it's just the regular, just the value box, I think it's called, the value box, or the standard box. It's nice, don't get me wrong, it's nice. However, it just doesn't wow me anymore. It truly just doesn't wow me anymore. Okay, but that is it. That is all for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. If you heard of any of these brands that I haven't heard anything of, and believe me, the only one I know anything about was the LMS, but all these other brands, did not know anything about them, haven't heard about them before. So if you know anything about them, any good things, any bad things, anything I need to watch out for, please let me know down below in the comments. Please and thank you. I thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to stay blessed, stay beautiful, and please continue to stay safe. I'll see you guys next time.